What up guys, Trent here from How To Haven with a very quick tutorial for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily exchange your Alien World's Trillium for wax. So your Trillium's up here, 167. And you want to go to this website, alcor.exchange, alcor.exchange. And you want to go to the markets, and go to wax. And if you haven't connected your wallet, you can do it up here. You need to connect your Wax Cloud wallet, or if there's another one, you do that. I don't know if there is. And then you can see what it's going for. You got Trillium right here, going for 0.075 wax per trillium. So it's like 13.5 trillium to 1 wax. Just crazy. This stuff has skyrocketed. And so once you get here, you can. It's just like trading stocks. You can make a limit trade. Or you can make a market trade, and just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do a quick market trade. I don't really want to get rid of any of my Trillium, so I'll just do a very small amount. We'll do 5 Trillium, sell it, which should get us not much wax at all, but do it real quick. It's pretty much instant. It's really nice. And then where do I check my wax? I don't know where to check my wax. Hold up. Okay, so you can go to your wallet. And yeah, so I have like a tiny bit more wax than I did. It wasn't really worth much, but that is a quick and easy way to exchange Trillium for wax. I hope this video helped, and subscribe, leave a comment if it did, and have a good day.